When the gas is turned on, the gas valve opens and the igniter arcs to light the flame. The igniter detects if the flame is lit by the fact that the flame conducts electricity. Thus, the igniter must be adjusted properly to not only light the flame, but also to detect if the flame has gone out and in turn shut the gas valve off. Use the knob on the gas valve to turn the gas off to observe the igniter arc. The arc gap can be measured with a drill bit. The distance should be around 1/4 of an inch. A wider gap is better than a narrow gap. When the flame is lit, the end of the electrode should be just within the flame and the tip glowing red. It is very difficult to just look at the flame and know if enough heat is being put into the system. For example, butane has fewer BTUs than propane. Butane results in a cooler flame and sometimes results in poor cooling in the fridge. For this reason, a visual inspection of the flame is important. The flame should be blue as seen here, but the only way to tell if the flame is putting out enough heat is to use instrumentation such as the fridge to fin to detect if the boiler is overheating due to a cold flame. Using 2 wrenches, one can remove the jet from the burner assembly. Once the jet has been removed, the jet can be soaked in 90% isopropyl alcohol, just like the gas valve filter. Blow out the jet with compressed air, such as computer duster air. Look through the jet into the light to make sure the jet is not obstructed. This is a baffle that prevents wind from blowing down into the flue tube. For some reason, Dometic omitted it from a lot of their refrigerators, so if you're having problems with the flame blowing out, make sure you have that baffle on the top. Inside is a diffuser that is clipped on, and this diffuser is critical. You have to have this diffuser for the LP gas to work. If somebody forgot to put it in, your LP system will not result in cooling. So then you're going to clean the rust out of the flue, and you can use a shotgun brass brush to clean out the inside. You'll use a vacuum cleaner at the bottom, and you'll be cautious to not push the brush down to the point to where it bends the electrode or does any damage in the burner assembly.